Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and welcome to today's visit to the woods, where I take you out into nature to practice forest bathing and get a breath of fresh air while you're cooped up indoors. Each time I come out to the woods, I seem to see things in terms of themes, and today's theme seems to be mammals. I'm seeing evidence of mammals everywhere. In these woods there are badger, fox, squirrel, umpteen different little mice and shrews and voles, and they're all getting active now. We've had a week of warm weather, and I think everyone's metabolism's got revved up and they're all out looking for food. I'm seeing new holes, new scrapings. I'm seeing evidence of people searching around for food. The woods are coming alive again. It's a busy time if you're a mammal. They're hungry after the scarce winter, but the food source hasn't really picked up yet. So they have to work hard for their bacon at the moment. So I found this delightful little hole. It's at the base of a tree, and it's where one limb has fallen off, I think, and it's kind of healed, making this little cave covered in moss. I can see from the way it's trampled inside that somebody lives there, a little mouse or something. I used to love places like this when I was a kid. I grew up roaming the countryside, and I used to go and find places like this because I believed in fairies. And I used to come and leave little presents for the fairies in places like this, little feathers or snail shells and little treasures, the kind of thing that is a treasure when you're 5. It's a beautiful place. I'd like to live there if I was an inch high. I've just sat on some nettles. Talk about sensory experience. You see how I love you? See what I'm doing for you? Well, forest bathing is all about getting into the senses, and I just did. Here is a fox track. Do you see? I'll take you down it. They must come here every day on their rounds. And then through this hole into the undergrowth. So for today's sensory experience, I'm going to take you to stroke a tree. It's covered in moss. There's a bramble going through it that's very spiky, and the bramble leaves are actually really soft and downy. I was really surprised at how they felt. So if this is the first of these videos that you've seen, you'll think it's a bit bonkers to go around stroking a tree. There's lots of science that proves this is good for us. Look in other videos and I'll explain a bit more about that. Basically, just trust me. Come with me in your mind, stroke the tree, and it helps to bring us out of our busy thoughts, out of our anxiety, out of our churning emotions, which we could all use at the moment, and into the body. There's a little wren just come and landed very close by. Okay, give it a go with the tree. Just trust me. So thanks for joining me. It was great to have you. I'll be coming out every day. If you'd like to come and join me again in the woods, click the subscribe button and the little bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. The sun's shining, and I've found a sheltered spot. There's actually some heat in that sun, even though it's a cold day. I'm just soaking up the sunshine. I'm taking it for the team. I'm doing it for you guys. So I invite you to close your eyes, go to the window. If there is some sunshine, open the window and feel the sun on your face. It's beautiful.